What if your next Chromebook could be faster than most laptops, smarter than your phone, and still kind to the planet? Sounds impossible, but Acer just made it real. Today, we're diving into the refreshed Acer Chromebook Plus Spin 514, a device packed with surprises from AI-powered performance to a display that changes how you work and play. But one feature might just steal the show, and you'll want to see it for yourself. Let's start with the basics. The Chromebook Plus Spin 514 now runs on MediaTek's Kompanio Ultra 910 processor. This isn't just any processor. It packs a 50 TOPS NPU and an ARM Immortalis-G925 GPU, giving you laptop-level performance for multitasking, AI apps, and everyday work. You can pair it with up to 16 GB LPDDR5X RAM and 256 GB of UFS 4.0 storage, making lag a thing of the past. The 14-inch touchscreen display is protected by Gorilla Glass and supports USI 2.0 styluses. You get two options: a 2880 by 1800 panel at 60 Hz for crisp visuals, or a 1920 by 1200 panel at 120 Hz for smooth scrolling and fluid graphics. Both have anti-fingerprint coating, so it stays clean even after hours of use. Webcams get an upgrade too. You can choose between a 5-megapixel or 1080p autofocus camera, both with a blue glass lens and privacy shutter. And power? A 70-watt-hour battery keeps you running with fast charging options via 65-watt or 100-watt adapters. But here's the feature that could redefine your Chromebook experience. Every purchase comes with a 12-month subscription to Google AI Pro. Imagine AI tools built directly into your workflow, helping you work smarter, faster, and more creatively. The Acer Chromebook Plus Spin 514 launches this October, starting at €699. High performance, versatile display, sustainable design, and AI-powered productivity, all in one sleek Chromebook. Could this be the Chromebook you've been waiting for?